Hello again, everybody. We're doing the Let's Learn More section of Unit 5 in Let's Go 5 today. And the first thing we had in the Let's Learn More section was, 8, not 6. 8 new activities or chores or jobs. They looked like this.
Do homework.
Wash the dishes.
Clean my desk.
Set the alarm.
Go fishing.
Go swimming.
Go bowling.
Go to sleep.
Okay, and then we had exactly the same pattern from the Let's Learn page. We just changed the time. So the pattern was, what will he, she do? First it was, what will you do after class? And you can answer that with, I think I will, or I'll. I think I'll. So let's practice that first.
What will you do after class?
I think I'll do homework.
What will you do after class?
I think I'll go bowling.
What will you do after class?
I think I'll clean my desk.
And second, we practiced making sentences with he or she or they'll, probably and we also practiced he, she, they probably won't All right, let's practice that one more time.
What will she do?
She probably won't do the dishes.
What will they do?
They'll probably go fishing.
What will he do?
He probably won't go to bed.
Awesome. Practice is all done. Let's jump into the workbook pages. All right, this is part A of pages 42 and 43, the Let's Learn More section for Unit 5. And it just says, look and write, what will they do after class? So we have all of these verb phrases here, and we're just going to pick the right one to go in the blanks based off of the picture. So number 1, she says, I think I'll after class. And I see a fishing pole, a fishing rod, so I'm pretty sure it's go fishing. Let's write that. Go fishing. All right, and number 2, doesn't go fishing. She says, I think I'll after class. And she has her eyes closed, her hands behind her head, so I think it's probably go to sleep. So, all right, go to sleep. Okay, so the next ones. There are 3 and 4. And he says, I think I'll after class. Here's a bowling ball. There's the alley and the pins. So this is go bowling. Go bowling. Number 4, he says, I think I'll after class. And he has some books out. He's got a pencil in his hand. So this is do homework. I think I'll do homework. All right. And the last 2. She doesn't say anything, so we have to write it for her. There's lots of bubbles in the sink, so I think this is probably wash the dishes. So she should say, I think I'll wash the dishes after class. Okay, cross it off. There's only one left and it's go swimming. Does that match? Yes, it does. He's in the water here. It looks like a lake. So he says, I think I'll go swimming W-I-M-M-I-N-G. After class. C-L-A-S-S. Period. All right, part A is done. And this is part B. It says, look, read, and circle. Check true, which means yes, or false, which means no. All right, this yes, no. Here we go. Number 1, he'll, she'll, they'll probably do homework. So we'll pick she'll because it's a girl. And I think it's true. She has some books there. I think it's true. He'll, she'll, they'll probably go swimming. So pick they'll, they will, because there are 2 of them. And I think this is false because they have fishing rods. So they'll probably go fishing. Okay, number 3 and 4. Number 3, he, she, or they probably won't go fishing. So I'll pick he because it's a boy. And then, yeah, I think that's true. He won't, he will not go fishing because look what he has. He has some dishes. So he'll probably do the dishes. Okay, number 4, he'll, she'll, or they'll probably go bowling. This is a boy again, so circle he'll, and I will check true because he has a bowling ball. All right, last 2. He, she, or they probably won't clean the desk. So we'll pick she because it's a girl. And this time I will check false because she's coming to the desk. She has a book in her hand. I think she's going to do homework, so she's probably going to clean the desk. All right, the last one. He, she, or they probably won't do homework. Okay, so we'll pick they because there are 2 girls. And I'll pick false again because in the picture it looks like they're doing homework. Great, part B is done. And this is part C. It says, what will you probably do next weekend? Right. All right, so I think I'll probably visit a friend. Now you guys have to keep the first part the same, but whatever you write here is just what you think you'll do. I think I'll probably read a book, or I'll probably play a video game, or I'll probably do homework. It's up to you. Good job!